These are hardy hibiscus I have growing in my yard. This one here has red blooms. I also have one that's kind of pink, but the pink one has bigger blooms. Hibiscus is known for having blooms up to 8 to 12 inches apart. And they are hardy in zones 4 to 9. And they like a lot of sun. They come from a tropical environment with a lot of water, but they can exist without water, or without very much water. These here have been growing here for maybe 4 or 5 years, maybe less than that. I bought 3 or 4 plants and planted them all in the same place. So there is a pink one over here that's not as tall, and I have another one by my front door which is got bigger blooms, but they are lighter in color. They get growing in the warmer months, not emerging from the ground right away in spring. And the wood that they grow on is all new, comes up from the ground. These large, vibrant flowers are a magnet for butterflies and hummingbirds and pollinators. And here you can see this one here is really, it looks like it's nearly 8 inches across. And this is the bigger one I have. And this is that red one you were looking at. And it's 5 inches, 5.5 inches across. And right in here you can see the old wood there, and here's the new wood. It comes all the way up from the ground. And this you can trim off the old wood in late winter, or to like about 4 inches above the ground, like this right here. This is old wood from last year, and this is the new wood from this year that's kind of green. So it sends up new stalks out of the ground every year. And here I dug one up a few weeks back, and you can see the old wood there, and then the new wood. Look at those stalks that came up out of the ground. Here again, this is that one, that pinkish one, that's a little bit bigger. And you can give them some water in dry spells, and they like a lot of compost, or if you don't have that, organic matter, or you can even put on some plant fertilizer. I usually put on plant fertilizer early in the spring. They are true perennials, cold hardy. Hardy hibiscus are famous for their enormous dinnerplate sized flowers, often reaching 8 to 12 inches apart or across, and coming in a wide variety of colors, including pink and white, and sometimes striking contrasting eyes. While the individual blooms only last a day, the plants produce so many buds that they appear to be in bloom for several weeks. They are true perennials, cold hardy in USDA Zones 4 to 9. They die back in late fall or winter and emerge from the ground, showing no new growth until early summer. Once they get going in the warmer months, though, a hardy hibiscus grows quickly, often reaches 3 to 7 feet and 2 to 6 feet wide, and they attract pollinators. They are a magnet for butterflies and hummingbirds and other pollinators. They are native to North America. Hardy hibiscus hybrids are native to wetland areas of North America, making them well suited for various garden conditions. They thrive in full sun 6 hours a day for best flowering. They can tolerate some partial sun, especially in the hot climates, but may have fewer blooms. And they prefer moist, well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. While they are native to swampy areas and tolerant of consistently moist or wet conditions, they can also adapt to typical garden soils if the soil is kept adequately moist. Avoid overly dry conditions. Convenient and deep watering is crucial, especially during dry spells when the plants are established. They are not drought tolerant. The best time to plant them is after danger of frost has passed in the spring. Give them plenty of space because they can spread up to 5 to 6 feet. Hibiscuses are heavy feeders. A yearly topping of compost is often sufficient. Alternately, you can use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will talk to you next time with some more of my garden plants. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.